Okay, welcome back to my channel. So these are the things you're going to be needing. So just measure out the length of the skirt where you want it to stop. I really wanted mine to be a little bit shorter, so I just had to cut it to my desired length, but you can go with whatever you want. To grab your seam ripper, I couldn't find mine, so I'm just using a razor blade. So just rip off where you have the inner thigh joining.
Heading back into the weekend, looking like you was a dead end. Oh, if I catch you, you're dead end. Don't play me like no PlayStation, ain't no TV station. Coulda catch you all night, made your body feel right. Said you wanted a taste, baby, now it's too late. Baby, now it's too late.
When you're done with seam ripping, you should have something looking like this. So just flip it over as you can see me do, and you have something looking like a skirt. As you can see, it's already turning into a skirt form. Grab your chalk, carve out the edges where you have your hips area, you know, where the crotch area is protruding. Just carve it out and you're done. As simple as what can be. Remember the down part of the jean we cut out? You're just going to seam rip all of them and join them together to form a tube top. So here I'm just going to close up my skirt a little above the crotch area, and I'm going to close it all the way down.
So whatever it is, just go. You must think that I'm happy, faking all of these smiles with me, all lost in your pride. You're out of your mind.
Now I gave you my heart, play me for bullshit.
So you guys know by now, I'm always pinning down everything before I sew it. So this is a tube part. I'm just pinning it down because I don't want to make any mistakes. So just pin them down and sew them in your sewing machine, and that's it.
I thought you were the one. Now you play with my fragile heart. So I'm gonna hit you where it hurts. You must think that I'm stupid, taking all of your shit, throwing fake excuses. No, you must think I'm a trick. Gave you all of my heart and play me for a joke. Well, baby, now I'm woke, so whatever it is, it just go. You must think that I'm happy, faking all.
So lastly, I'm just going to be closing the final opening. Your bust area is bigger than the down part of your body, so you're going to have to do it in a slant form. If you need to add a zip, you can add a zip, but I didn't want to add a zip on mine because this jean is very stretchy.
Why you do me wrong? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, I thought we were strong. It's okay.
So guys, using the remaining scraps of the fabric, I'm going to be cutting out pieces for the hemming and for the hand of the top.
Why is you lying? Is you fucked up in the head? Now you gotta get back up, back up. Yeah, I seen the text, don't touch me. Back the fuck up, sis is on the way, she. Yeah, I told you if you lie to me, you. When you down, you don't expect me. Why, oh, why, oh, why you do me wrong?
So this was not in plan, but last minute I decided I wanted to go in and add some darts to my tube top to give it a little more fitting.
Oh, you know I'm
So this is what it looks like after adding my dart. As you can see, it's already fitted and giving it more form.
I've been waiting on Monday.
So in one of my previous videos, I already showed you guys how to do this ruffle bit. So you can check that video out if you haven't already. Okay, so all you need to do is take in your thread and needle, your hand thread and needle, of course, and just go in and out of the fabric and draw it to your desired ruffle bits, and you're going to have this beautiful ruffle. I'm going to place it on my tube top, the down part of my tube top, and sew it all together.
Baby, now it's too late. Baby, now it's too late, too late. Why, oh, why, oh, why? Why you told me wrong? In my head, I thought we were strong. Took me time, but now I see all your shit. Baby, just admit you will play me like a violin. Why, oh, why, oh, why you do me wrong? Baby, just admit you will play me like a violin. You must think that I'm stupid, taking all of your shit, throwing fake excuses. No, you must think I'm a trick. Gave you all of my heart and you blame me for a joke. But baby, now I'm woke, so whatever it is, just go. You must think that I'm happy, faking all of these smiles with me, all lost in your pride. You're out of your mind.
Now I gave you my heart, play me for bullshit. Why the hell would you do this? Apparently you're new to this. Ain't my first rodeo, giving me quite a show. And just like that, I'm on my own. Knew you were a baby, I thought you were the one.
When I'm done attaching my ruffle, this is what it looks like. Isn't she beautiful? Okay. So this is what it should look like.
You must think that I'm stupid, taking all of your shit, throwing fake excuses. No, you must think I'm a trick.
So when I was done, I took out the remaining fabric, the one which I cut out, and I was just placing it right sides together, and I sew it so that when I turn it, it's going to give me this contrast look.
You're out of your mind, playing with my mind, yeah, you're playing my games with me. 1 minute you're here and the next thing you're paying. Why, oh, why you do me wrong? Oh boy, I thought we were strong. It's okay, I'm grown, boy, you know I'm grown. Now you're on your own, yeah, now you're on your own. Why you do me wrong? Boy, you know I'm grown, now you're on your own. Feelings, why you in your feelings? Minute, boy, give me a minute, I ain't addressed the shit you said. Why is you lying? Is you fucked up in the head? Now you gotta get back up, back up. Yeah, I seen the text, don't touch me. Back the fuck up, sis is on the way, she yeah, I told you if you lie to me, you when you down, you don't expect me. Why, oh, why you do me wrong? Boy, I thought we were strong. It's okay, I'm grown, boy, you know I'm grown. Now you're on your own, yeah, now you're on your own. Why you do me wrong? Boy, you know I'm grown, now you're on your own. I thought we were strong. Boy, you know I'm grown.
Oh, no, 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 no. I've been waiting on Monday since you told me on Sunday. Feeling hopeful on Tuesday, out of my system by Thursday. Baby, it's Friday, heading back into the weekend. Looking like you was a dead end. Oh, if I catch you, you're dead end. Don't play me like no PlayStation. Ain't no TV. Catch you all night.